In this video, I will show you how you can recover the deleted voice recordings on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Now, if you have deleted any of your voice recordings by mistake, now let's record a voice. Now, for an example, this is a voice which we have recorded. Now, I will name it Do Not Delete. Now, if I delete the voice recording by mistake, just like that. Now, if you want to recover the deleted voice recording, first of all, in your voice recorder, just tap on the three dots over here, then tap on Trash. Now, as you can see, this is the file which I have deleted. Now, just select the voice recording which you want to recover, or you can select multiple voice recordings at the same time. Now, after you select your voice recordings which you want to recover, then tap on Restore. And once you do that, you will restore the deleted voice recording on your tablet. But keep in mind that the data you will delete will be saved in the trash file section for only 30 days. Once the 30 days are completed, the data will be permanently deleted from your trash file section. So make sure you recover it before 30 days. And if you cannot find your file over here, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Device Care, then tap on Storage. Now under Manage Storage, just tap on Trash. Now from here, just tap on My Files. And from here, just check if the voice which you have deleted is in this section or not. If you find your voice recording over here, just tap and hold on the voice recording to select it and select Restore. And as you can see, this is how you can recover deleted voice recordings on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.